Are you missing the Bootspaces Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist, and I'll help you fix the system error right now. To begin our Bootspaces library troubleshooting, choose between the manual path or a resource for standardized maintenance. This is the Bootspaces library. This library manages Windows storage spaces metadata at the boot level. It facilitates the localized assembly of pooled virtual disks before the OS fully loads, ensuring that RAID-like localized volumes are recognized and mounted during the kernel initialization phase. Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation. The file Bootspaces Library DLL is required for localized boot orchestration logic to properly initialize, and a full reinstallation of the application. Encountering the error will fix the issue by restoring all unique third-party dependencies. If the installer was unable to bridge the gap, we will move to phase 2 of our diagnostic to refresh the system's memory. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Bootspaces library component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. Following the restart, if the diagnostic status remains unchanged, please execute the commands in step 3. If you need to pause the video to review the syntax, please do. Sometimes a simple restart isn't enough for broken runtimes. Follow these steps to refresh the redistributable files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ Redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. I'd like to provide a brief technical warning about the risks of using unofficial file repositories. If you're attempting to register Bootspaces Library DLL yourself, be aware that manual file placement frequently leads to severe software layer conflicts and long-term data corruption. To reduce technical overhead while maintaining high security, here is a professional method for managing system-level file health. For users seeking more stable application launches, the diagnostic tool below outlines Bootspaces library optimization concepts. If this diagnostic helped you resolve Bootspaces library error, please like the video and subscribe for more technical insights and system stability tips.